Hey guys, today we are doing a review of the Catrice True Skin High Cover Concealer. It's supposed to be 18-hour wear, hydrating, all that good stuff. I really do like the foundation in this, but I will say they run really, really light. So that's why I got a darker shade. I explain all that in the video. But yeah, if you are new here, I always want to let you know I use all natural lighting, so you guys are going to see my skin, my imperfections, all of that. I'm sorry you can hear my rooster crowing. It is what it is. But yeah, you guys can see my skin, how this covers. So I'm going to hush. We do a nice long wear test on this. This is in the shade 046 Warm Toffee, and let's go ahead and hop in. All right, lovelies, we have a base going on. Now we are going to use the 18-hour hydrating Catrice True Skin High Coverage Concealer, Hyaluronic Acid, waterproof, and this is in the shade 046. I got a darker one because in the foundation, these run really, really light. Like I've gotten 3 different ones, 3 different shades, and they've all been too light. So this is probably gonna be too dark. They did not have many shades, so we'll see. The one below this one was just too light. I know it was too light. I like the applicator. It's got a pointed doe foot, but it's very movable. I like that. This almost feels cooling. Okay, ugh. It has a fragrance. I don't know why they do that. I hate when they do that. Oh, yeah, definitely has a fragrance. All right, let's start blending this in. Coverage is really nice, and I think the shade is pretty dang good. I would have preferred just a smidge lighter, but like I said, it was a huge jump from this one to the one before it on Ulta's website. So this is what we got. I definitely think it is full coverage right out of the gate. You guys seen, it covered my nose spot, my bruise, as my youngin calls it. It covered that perfect. Wow. Okay, I am really, really excited about this. Let's go ahead and set it. It's kind of that perfect medium right now, but I always set my under eyes no matter what. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna grab some translucent powder. As of right now, it's not creasing. It doesn't look bad at all. And I've been super picky with concealer lately because my under eyes, I can definitely see that they are aging. So I have been very picky. Like, I really do like the foundation, so I definitely wanted to try the concealer, and it looks so good. Okay, I'm going to hop off of here, finish the rest of the face, and we'll be right back. And we are back. Full face done. I really, really love the under eyes, you guys. I mean, truly love it. It's already been about an hour and a half. We're cleaning out the chicken coop. We have babies. I'm so excited. We have 13 chicks that hatched out with 3 different mamas. And then we have another mama who hatched out 1. And then we got her 3 other chicks, 2 bainies. So we're gonna have some little bitty frizzles. But yeah, I'm so excited. So we're cleaning out the chicken coop. I was doing that. That's what I'm gonna go back to. But we are gonna do a wear test. This looks gorgeous so far. So I'm excited. I hope it wears really nicely because this could be one of my new top concealers, you guys. So yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, it has been 8 hours and I already know how I feel about this. I love this. I highly recommend it. It is going to be up there with the e.l.f. concealer for me. I love that. This one really packs a punch with the coverage, but it's not heavy, cakey. It really, really does check all the boxes. The face makeup I had on today accentuated my pores. This actually covered them. So I love this. I cannot wait to keep using this. Again, highly recommend. I'm so excited about this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.